This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remaxability Plus. This 5,000 square foot home is worth seeing with soaring 2-story great room, gorgeous 2-story Carrera Stone fireplace and 2-story windows for natural light. Gourmet kitchen with 9 feet ceiling, granite, island, tile backsplash, sunroom. Luxury master suite with extra windows for natural light. Finished basement, bath rough-in, bar rough-in 9 feet doors in the custom 1248 square feet oversized garage, guest line to backyard for pool, 12 additional windows for natural light, 28 additional can lights, pre-wire video lines and much, much more. Come see this home, you will not be disappointed.